Complete Guide to Solar Power Electricity 1. What is a solar power system? A solar power system converts sunlight into electricity using the following main components. Solar panels capture sunlight and convert it to DC electricity. Inverter converts DC electricity to AC, usable by your appliances. Batteries store electricity for use during night or load shedding. Optional. Charge controller protects batteries from overcharging wiring, mounting structure, and safety components. 2. How much does it cost? The cost depends on your electric load, how many appliances you want to run, and the type of system. Approximate pricing in Pakistan. System size powers. Approximate cost. PKR. 1 kilowatt 2 fans. 4 lights 150,000 to 200,000 3 kilowatt fridge. Fans, lights, TV 400,000 to 500,000 5 kilowatt. Full small home 700,000 to 900,000 10 kilowatt large home or small office 1.5 million to 1.8 million. Note, prices may vary based on brand, e.g., Longai, JA Solar, battery inclusion, and installer quality. 3. Installation process. Step-by-step site survey. Rooftop or ground space is inspected. System design, load estimation, and panel placement planning. Mounting structure. Aluminum or iron frame is installed on the rooftop panel installation. Panels are fixed on the structure, inverter, and wiring setup. Connects the system to your home's electrical load battery connection, optional for backup power. Net metering, optional. Allows you to sell excess electricity to the grid installation time. Small systems, 1 to 2 days. Larger systems, 3 to 5 days. 4. Types of solar systems. Type description: battery backup, grid connected, on-grid daytime use, plus net metering off-grid works, with batteries only hybrid. Uses both WAPDA plus batteries. 5 benefits of solar energy. Huge reduction in electricity bills. No worries during load shedding if you use batteries. Eco-friendly, no noise, no pollution. Increases your property value. Earn money through net metering by selling excess power, low maintenance. Just clean the panels every few weeks. 6. Pro tips. Always hire a certified installer, licensed by NEPRA or local authority. Ensure the panels face south and are at the correct tilt angle. Clean the panels regularly to maintain performance. Check for warranties. Panels, usually 25 years. Inverters, 5 to 10 years.